Disney at the Plaza Inn. We got a side salad right here and a fried chicken. And KJ, being a true Filipino, got the gravy on top. Kind of reminds you of Jollibee, which comes with mashed potatoes, biscuit, and string beans. Get all this gravy and the mashed potatoes right here.
Hooked it up.
Yeah, the cast member really hooked it up with the gravy here. Try the fried chicken. Oh, so good with the gravy. Yeah, that chicken is really good. Very flavorful, tender, almost fall off your bone. Bomb.com. Salad, just to get some veggies in our diet. And the best part is, if you have an Inspire key, you could get a discount. So with our chicken, our salad, and a regular soda, it came out to about 27 bucks. We made our way to Critter Country and passing by Splash right now. This is how long it is. It's about a 70-minute wait. So we actually ended up buying a lightning lane. So our return time is 5:45 to 6:45. So we'll come back around that time. So one of the new drinks that they have is the ginger tea lemonade soju with the matcha foam on top.
Yeah, let's just try it.
What'd you think?
It tastes very tea. I can break it soju, but it's good. Very good. I like it.
Well, I can taste the tea and the lemonade, the matcha foam. Oh, that's interesting. I like the matcha foam. It's really good. I barely taste the soju, but I do taste the lemonade here though. It's good. And just in time, our Coruscant coolers came in, and here's all our drinks.
This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. Let's get the cruising altitude with a tribute to a song that swept the galaxy.
Alright, ended up at Tropical Hideaway. We got the lumpia right here, and then we got the strawberry sundae Dole Whip, and then we got the pork bao, is it?
Pork bao with spicy sauce.
Ooh, yummy. Let's try it. Well, let's try the strawberry Dole Whip first, because it looks like it's starting to melt and it's kind of messy.
Dripping everywhere.
Yeah, cheers.
So like mango and strawberry swirl with the shortcake and strawberry topping thingy.
Yeah, I really like the strawberry shortcake to this. It's so good. Oh yeah, we did mix some of the mango in here.
Yeah.
But I like the syrup. I like the strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, it's a lot of cake.
Yeah, but it's really good. Let's try the pork lumpia.
Is it being Filipino party lumpia?
Looks like it has more of the vegetable filling. Not much more, it's just vegetables.
Majority vegetables.
Yeah, it's kind of like a spring roll. Yeah, I like the lumpia at the Filipino family parties, obviously, but this is so good, but definitely not the lumpia that we're used to.
What pork? It tastes like you get this at like any other fast food place. That's definitely not the type I would get. But Filipino party is way better.
Yeah, try the pork bao.
Pork bao or shou pao. It's alright. There's spicy ice to it. It's not spicy, guys. But it's actually really good.
I mean, I like the filling to it if you want to take a look. The filling right here. The wing's not bad, I like it. It does remind me of the char siu bao that you get like at dim sum places or at like any Asian restaurants. It's not too bad. Lightning lane is being called, so now we're heading to Splash just to go on it one last time. Hope we don't get wet.
You might get wet.
We might get wet.
Look at this line.
That's why we got a lightning lane for this.
It's not moving.
Alright, here we are, just entering into Splash Mountain. We will miss you, Brer Bear, Brer Fox, Brer Rabbit.
For your safety, just stay safe with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log. And be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Feeling wet in my shoes.
Hi guys.
Okay, I got soaked a bit. I got soaked.
certain death. Don't you go to the laughing place, for the punks will get you too.
All right.
He learned his lesson already. But I'm afraid he learned it too late. Laughing place? We got your laughing
Here's the drop. Oh my goodness.
What?
Are you pretty sick?
I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty okay too. A little bit, but I'm not bad. Yeah, my jeans are pretty soaked, my shirt. KJ looks pretty wet himself too. Aw, our last photo on Splash Mountain. I am sad. One last souvenir from Splash. This is what we're getting. There's one, two.
Exactly. We went on now 13 or 12 right now.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah. Yep, this is all the 3 coins you get. Here they are. Well, that was our last ride on Splash. All I have to say is thank you for the memories throughout my childhood years. I mean, I am excited that for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, but I will sorely miss the Song of the South theme. That's gonna do it for our vlog today. Thank you for joining us on our last ride on Splash Mountain. Bye. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.